Back again. Promise the future customer I would do this video because a lot of people need to know this secret. A lot of people don't know the secret now. A lot of people want to invest in Bitcoin. A lot of people want to invest in the stock market. Some people don't know the variations of different things that's in the stock market. There's many different groups. There's many different sectors. There's two things in the stock market that's going to make you good money: penny stocks and IPOs. IPO is a public offering before it goes to the stock market. What happens? You want to get in. You want to get in heavy because then, right? Not too heavy, but heavy enough where you'll be okay. But you also want to do your research. Research is everything. You want to research. You want to know the P. Listen, you want to know the growth of the company. You want to know the product line. You want to know what they're into, what contracts they have. You also want to know, their books for the last 5 to 10 years. You know what I'm saying? Their profit level. So when you come in, you want to know that this is a $1 billion corporation that's taking off. Now, everybody can't be lucky like, I was in Google when it first came, for Google's IPO. I bought in at $25, made $86 a share. So I did good. I did pretty good, but there's some IPOs that's kind of shaky, like, let me see a good one. I can't think of one right now, but there's a couple bad ones out there. So, now, the thing about penny stocks is that you want to get into something fair enough, not too low, but just low enough where it could rise, and you want at least 100 shares or more, So, by having a basket of penny stocks, you're going to see growth daily. You know what I'm saying? That's what you want. Then you also want. What happens is you want to see the PE, right? That's the ratio that basically can measure a stock. It could be with a PE. If the PE is 8, that's a wonderful PE. You know what I'm saying? But you also don't want to be too greedy either, because you're gonna find some low PEs. You know what I'm saying? But a PE can rise. So then, on top of that, you want to see about a dividend. A dividend stock is going to help you a lot. That's a quarterly payment that you're going to receive, and that's added to the value. So that's going to help you as well. Now, if you don't want to lose no money, stay out of the stock market. But it's a gamble. Any investment is a gamble unless you're in secured investments. Now, you've got IPOs. You have penny stocks. Now, you want to get into a trading platform that doesn't have no trading fees, because that's going to even make you more money. Now, there's one called Robinhood. If you're interested, text me 610-470-8992. I will send you the link. Great. Robinhood is great. You can also earn free stock up to 500 shares. Now, I'm going to show you a method that you can make $5,000 to $10,000 extra a year just by having Robinhood. Well, great. Now, I already used the method. I do pretty good. So we basically took down the stocks. Okay, so now, a lot of people say, okay, well, I'm going to try this. I'm going to try. Be careful of the stock market, because right now it's very volatile. You can lose your money. But you want to be, like I said, you want to have one stock, start off with one stock, and you want to have a lot of it, because then you'll see the growth more. You know what I'm saying? But if you're just having one share here, 2 shares there, you're not going to see hardly nothing. You're going to see crumbs. So, let's talk about secured investments. They're the best thing on the planet. A secured investment is something that the person can guarantee If something was to go wrong, you get your money back 100%. No questions asked. That's what we do. Secured. Secured opportunities, secured investments. Let's say you invest $200, $300, $400, $500 to $1,000 with us, and you don't make no money. Say, hey, Lorenzo, I didn't make no money with your company. Guess what? You get a full refund. We honor all our opportunities. The reason why, because we're a respectable company, and we want you to come back. Because this is where it's safe. Now, I tell people, diversify your opportunities, diversify your investments. Everything you do, you should diversify. That basically means you need a basket of things. It's a basket of investments, basket of opportunities, basket of work-at-home opportunities, basket of this, basket of that. Because life works out. You need 8 streams of income, they say. They say this is the minimum, 8 streams of income. And your life goes smoothly. I say more, but forget about it. Now, so, if you have any questions, you're free to text me, 610-470-8992. I'll be more than happy to ask any questions, direct you somewhere. A lot of people are texting me about cannabis stocks. They're red hot, they're profitable, but just like I said before, you want to get into penny stocks. A lot of cannabis stocks are in the penny stock range. So that's what you want. Hold on 1 second. I think I have an investor at my door. No, that's not him. So that's what you want. You want profits. You want to see profits daily. I don't care if it's $10, $20, $30 worth of profits. Listen, I have investments where you can make $10 a day, $20 a day, $50 a day. Guaranteed 100%. And guess what? You're earning 20% more than the stock market. The stock market earns you from 2% to maximum 6%. And half the time you don't even see that because of the major losses. You know, right now stocks are down low enough where you should buy. But don't go buying crazy. Buy smart. You want to buy, listen, you want a basket with dividends. That'll cover, dividend stocks will cover the money you're going to lose. So you always want to cover that. Flat out. Do you want a basket that's high value stocks that's going to gain fast? Do you want stocks that show performance? So you want different baskets of stocks. You want retail. You want technology. You want aerospace. You want different things, but at affordable prices. But like I said, I would start off with penny stocks and climb your way up the ladder. Your first year you should make $25K. Now, if you want to make $25K in 2019. Reach out to me. I can show you a plan. I can design a plan for you. Listen, I'm not a financial expert, but I know about these things. I have an eye for everything. So the thing is don't jump in and lose your money. You want to be profitable. The healthcare sector, the pharmaceutical sector, technology sector. And don't forget, you want to get in trust. Listen, the trust and the group of baskets where there's large corporations, you want to get into that because that's going to give you a high dividend yield. Like I said, your dividends is going to make you most of your money. So you want to have 50% dividend stocks. So you're constantly seeing that cash flow. And then build your way up. Buy another. Every time you get a little bit of cash or some extra money, throw it at the stock market. But be sensible. No? So, IPOs. There's an IPO right now where you can actually earn $13K within 3 to 4 months. The IPO is $2 a share, plus you get a free share for every share you buy. Now, there's a minimum investment of $250. Not bad. So basically, right, you're going to have about 500 shares, which is good to go in at. If you need information on that, text me, no problem. I'll send you the information. Let's see. As far as secured investments, if you're interested in that, we have plenty. We have $1,000 level, we have $100 level, we have a $200 level. Let me explain something. $100 can make you $10 a day for 30 days, so Monday through Friday. So basically, all of them work the same, but they pay more. Right, the higher you invest, the more you get paid. And then we have levels where you can make $1,700 in 14 days off of a $200 to $300 investment. So basically it varies. You know what I'm saying? We have a lot of great things, but like I said, there's a lot of different things, and I just wanted to put this video up because I want people to understand that you can start profiting. Like people that do want to invest, start with penny stocks. Penny stocks is a great way to start off until you get into the big leagues. So yeah, and I want you to understand that once your money's gone in the stock market, it's gone. That's why you have to invest smart. You have to have a basket. You have to have dividend stocks to secure the losses. And so you don't look like, wow, I lost all my money. What am I going to do? So yeah. And like I said, you want to have multiple shares of stock in certain things. So as the profit, as they go up, your profit goes up at a large leap. So if you, like I said, if you have any questions, feel free to contact me, 610-470-8992. I'm not a financial expert, but I can give you financial advice for free. Thank you, and have a great day.